Hello, I'm back. So, I have a friend whom I turn to when I see gross designs. Or, when she sees gross designs, she'll forward to me and say things like, "Ew, so ugly." And mind you, she's not a designer. So imagine a non-designer finding the design gross. Then why is it that the designer cannot see it and still design something that is so why am I touching on this point? It's because I've been seeing lots of CMI designs on IG lately, where the houses feature the ugliest tiles and the ugliest laminates, like ugliest. I mean, we've all been to tile shops, right? There are so many nice tiles available. Why end up choosing the ugliest? Wait, let me resuscitate. No, 2 hands. Okay, back. And if you browse through laminate catalogs, there are also so many nice laminates. Why again choose the ugliest? It's like you're in a room full of good-looking people and you can date any one of them. Then you go and choose the grossest one among them all. But hello, we're talking about tiles and laminates. No personality to speak of, just superficial beauty. So we are really judging the looks of it, okay? There is no reason why you should choose the ugliest laminates and ugliest tiles. I guess what I'm trying to say is, not all who design are designers. They are either salespeople doubling up as designers. Oh, I've heard so many stories of those. Or designers without an eye for aesthetics. Which brings me to the next question. It's like a nurse or a doctor with bad personal hygiene. Or a chef who doesn't have much taste buds. To me, it's unacceptable. Because designers are clients' first and last line of defense against ugliness. If we don't filter off ugly things and prevent them from making their way into a space, then who will? Client's pet dog? Or cat? Or hamster? At this point, I am 300% sure that some of you will think, "Wow, this Carmen, what does she think she is, man?" I will tell you what I think I am, okay? I'm someone who is passionate about design and cannot take it when people bastardize it. It's not arrogance, it's sticking to my beliefs. But ironically, there'll be folks who will like this designer's design, and there's nothing much I can say except there's a client for every designer. So, on this note, I will end this episode with 2 alphabets. Stay tuned for my next I Speak My Mind episode. If you hate my guts, yet can't bear to not know what I have to say, you are most welcome to continue tuning in.